What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best mattresses for bunk beds. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Linenspa Memory Foam and Innerspring Hybrid Mattress. This medium firm feeling mattress is perfectly ideal for use on a bunk bed. It is 8 inches thick, making it just the right size to stay put and keep the user at the right height, which is super important when you have a little one high up on a top bunk. This is a hybrid mattress, which combines soft and cozy memory foam on the top, with a more traditional innerspring system in the middle. When combined, these two systems provide a comfortable and supportive sleep experience that is tough to beat. The memory foam on the top is encased in a soft, knit fabric cover, which will help to keep the memory foam from wearing out too quickly. The only problem with this, however, is that this makes the mattress a bit less breathable and therefore a bit warmer than some others that are available for purchase. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Lucid LU05TTFR30GF Memory Foam Mattress. Making the transition from a crib to a bed for a child can be hard, but you can make the process easier with the Lucid LU05TTFR30GF Memory Foam Mattress. This mattress has a 1-inch layer of gel-infused foam that is specifically designed to house a smaller frame during sleep. We rest well when we feel cooler, and this mattress has improved airflow and breathability to promote a good night's sleep for your child. The core of this mattress is a 4 inches layer of dense memory foam that is infused with bamboo charcoal that provides excellent hypoallergenic properties. This is a low-profile mattress that always smells fresh, and it's well suited to smaller applications, including cubbies, bunk beds, trundle beds, and other tight areas. Lucid supplies this mattress with a tensile cover which has hydrophilic nanofibers that maintain a comfortable level of moisture to keep the surface soft and improve the strength. When it comes to kids' mattresses, many parents search for a plush product. But, in recent years, many medical experts have recommended a firmer mattress. This mattress provides a lot of support to prevent joint and muscle misalignment, which promotes deep and restful sleep. With these features, you may expect the Lucid LU05TTFR30GF Memory Foam Mattress to have a hefty price tag. Yet, this is an affordable mattress with great features, and it comes in a compressed form for easier shipping. At number 3, we have the Zinus 6-inch Spring Twin Mattress. This set of mattresses, that's right, it's a set of 2, is a tremendous value. For basically the price of one mattress, you can have your whole bunk bed system covered with this purchase. Of course, you should make sure that the extra firmness level is the right fit for your kids, or they might have a tough time getting enough rest. The reason that these mattresses are so firm is easy to see. They are some of the thinnest mattresses out there, measuring a quite skinny 6 inches thick to fit in a bunk bed easily. The reason that they are so thin, and therefore so firm, is that they only have a thin layer of foam that covers their inner springs. While this thickness is ideal for use with bunk beds, the lack of padding might not be. Since they are missing out on a good deal of padding that other mattresses have, you could expect that these mattresses might wear out relatively quickly. Luckily, if that should happen, they are covered by a 10-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Linenspa 6-inch Innerspring Mattress. This is, without a doubt, one of the simplest and most straightforward mattresses out there. It has a slim foam topper, which covers over tempered steel coils. While this makes it sound as though it wouldn't be all that durable, this is not the case. The steel coils are surprisingly strong and should last a good long while, even if you don't remember to rotate the mattress all that often. Of course, this firm mattress might not be the most comfortable on a bunk bed, since you cannot use a box spring with it. The metal coils, while very supportive, do not give a whole lot, which might make it harder for your little one to get comfortable. And finally, at number 1, we have the Signature Sleep Hybrid Reversible Twin Mattress. While the first mattress on this list is, without a doubt, our number 1, tip-top, absolute favorite, this one is a close second. You can only get it at one firmness setting, which is firm. So if you, or your child, really need a stiffer mattress, then look no further than this one right here. It is an 8-inch thick mattress, which makes it ideal for use in bunk beds. It is constructed of 3 different layers. On the top and the bottom are memory foam for coolness and comfort, and in the middle are independently encased springs for support. This design makes this one of the most durable mattresses out there. Why, you ask? To put it simply, it's because you can flip the whole thing over and sleep on either side. This helps to reduce the wear and tear that the mattress is put through on a daily basis, and instead allows you to spread that same punishment out over many years. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.